Absolutely, I think he was spot on what he said. Winning the Test Championship final is equal to the World Cup, and we are all focusing on that. But having said that, focus is to play this game, four Test match, and then think about it. But yes, Ishant was completely right. See, as a when you play on the spinning track, you have to play the line, and you know that. And India, we know that we haven't played so many games in India in last 2 3 years. It's all about, I think, when you play on seaming wicket or spinning wicket, it's all about playing that line. And if ball is spinning too much, you don't have to think about it. I mean, you just play the line. If you miss the ball, you miss the ball. That's it. But I think backing your defense, backing your ability on spinning and seaming wicket is the key, and that's what we follow. I think wicket will be similar to third test match, and also I feel the second test match what we played in Chennai, wicket will be similar. It will be a spinning track, and yes, pink ball made that difference. I think pink ball was coming much quicker off the wicket comparatively to red ball. That's the adjustment we had to make. But as I said, wicket will be a lot similar to last two test matches. I think it's important to play the line, as I said, when ball is turning. But with the pink ball, it was completely different. Ball was getting on. I think off the wicket pace was completely different to red ball. And see, we hardly played with the pink ball. I think this was our third test match with the pink ball. We need to practice more with the pink ball. It's all about adjustment. It's all about practice and what process you follow. But I think when you play on the spinning track, it's all about playing the line rather than thinking too much about the turn. I don't think so. Our approach has changed because of the DRS. It's all in the mind. But only thing I know is DRS is really helping to all the teams because of you can review the decisions, you can take those chances. But I don't think mentally, mindset wise, as a batsman personally, not many changes. See, I said pitch looks pretty similar. I don't know how it's going to play. That we'll have to wait and see. But yes, we respect England team. They are a very good team, uh, balanced team. And see, I thought we played good cricket in last two Test matches. England played really well in the first Test match. We are not taking them lightly. It's another Test match, and we just want to go out there and give our best. Equally, even England will want to go out there and give their best and look to win the Test match. So yeah, for us it's all about playing as a team, playing as a unit and play to our strengths here. बिलकुल नाही 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 बिलकुल एफेक्ट नाही करत आहे. सी लोकांना काय बोलायचं ते बोलू देत. विकेट जेव्हा आम्ही बाहेर जातो तेव्हा कोणी किती सीम होतो विकेट त्याबद्दल कोणी बोलत नाही. नेहमी इंडियन बॅट्समनच्या टेक्निकबद्दल बोलत असतात. मला वाटत नाही की हे या गोष्टी लोक काय बोलतात आम्ही सिरियसली घेतो. जेव्हा तुम्ही बघता आम्ही जेव्हा अब्रॉडमध्ये जातो फर्स्ट डे विकेट डॅम्प असते आणि जेव्हा विकेटमध्ये डेंट्स होतात आणि अप अँड डाऊन विकेट व्हायला लागते तेव्हा ॲक्च्युली विकेट डेंजरस असते. बट आम्ही कधी त्याबद्दल कंप्लेंट नाही केले आहे किंवा त्याबद्दल कधी बोललो नाही आहे. स्पिनिंग विकेटवर खेळताना येस तुम्हाला काही फॉलो करावं लागतं जसं तुम्ही स्विमिंग विकेटवर खेळता. सो लोक काय बोलतात त्याला आम्हाला फरक नाही पडत. आणि आय डोंट थिंक ह्या विकेट्स काही डेंजरस आहेत. See, when we practice, we decided that we are going to focus on playing spin bowling because in India you get those wickets. About Test cricket, I think last Test match we played in India against against South Africa in 2018, 19, yeah, 19 I think. And after that we are playing against England here. So yes, you need practice to play spin bowlers, but yeah, that's what we are just focusing on. I think because Ashwin and Akshar were bowling so well and they were taking wickets, that's why he didn't bowl. And he was in the team because of his obviously all-round ability, and that's what as a team we took that call. And see, he is a quality player and he has done really well in last whatever 2 3 Test matches he has played. Just because Ashwin and Akshar they were bowling well, he didn't get that chance. No, we always look to win the test match, win the game. We are not going for the draw. For us, winning, we always look to win. And yeah, this test match is no different. This is another test match, and we are not focusing too much about what will happen in June. We're just focusing on this test match. Yeah, I was expecting this question. I mean, thankfully you asked. I think you need to check your facts right. you know my contribution for the team. Whenever team needed runs, my runs are there. So you need to focus on your facts and then come up with the question. I'm a team man. Everyone knows that. And whenever team needs to perform in that particular situation, I have always done that. So I'm not too concerned about it. Yes, as a player, I always look to learn, look to grow as a cricketer, and which is really important. And I'm looking to do that. Thank you.